Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from the Monster Illuminessence Large Space LED Mood Lighting Kit. They sent us a bunch of these different you can take and look for on the Chris Voss Show. And they're really inexpensive and really easy to install and utilize. You don't have to hook them up to your Wi-Fi, download an app, get the app and everybody to talk together and all that brain damage. You just plug it in, use the premium RF touch remote control that comes with it, and you can control all the lights. You can do a variant of different colors. It's pretty cool. This is the large space kit. This has got 2 LED strips and 2 light bulbs in it, and it basically does color changing LED lighting for instant ambience in one simple setup kit. There's no complicated device, no software setup, no pairing with your Wi-Fi, all that noise. Perfect for big spaces like living rooms, media rooms, large bedrooms, or kitchens. Pretty cool. It basically in the box is 2 6.5 extra bright multicolor or white dimmable 60 LED strips, 2 multicolor white LED dimmable bulbs, and an RF multicolor remote control. The remote controller is a little bit weird because it doesn't really have an on-off switch. You slide your finger back and forth, turn on and off. Once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. It's got easy to access preset light programs with 5 light programs for music, 3 light programs for holidays, coloring, brightness, adjustment, preset light programs like Club 1, Club 2, Lounge, Beach, Sunset, Christmas, Independence, Halloween, and you can adjust the speed, faster for parties, slower for elegant atmosphere and mood, and stuff like that. Works right out of the box. You don't have to pair it to an app. You don't have to pair it to your Wi-Fi. Just plug it in, away you go. These strips have just tape behind them, so you can pull that off if you want to install them permanently. You can put these anywhere in your home to make a nice, wonderful accent. And I think you'll like them. I was very impressed by them. Anyway, be sure to check them out. You go to monsterstore.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in.